In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Elementor. Whether you want a subtle tilt for style or a full 90-degree turn to correct orientation, this quick technique will help you achieve it cleanly and consistently. Start by opening the page you want to edit inside the Elementor editor. This ensures you're working in the live, visual interface where changes are easy to see as you make them. Once your page loads in Elementor, click on the image widget you want to rotate. You can also select another element if needed, like an icon or a container that supports transforms, but we'll focus on an image for clarity. When the image is selected, you'll see its settings panel appear on the left. Next, head over to the Advanced tab in that panel. The Advanced tab is where Elementor groups layout controls and effects that go beyond basic styling. Inside this tab, scroll down until you find Transform. Open it to reveal the tools that let you adjust how the element appears without changing the original file. Within Transform, choose the Rotate option. This is specifically designed for turning your element around a central point. You'll see a control where you can set the angle. Enter the angle you want, such as 45 or 90, and the image will rotate instantly on the canvas. Positive numbers rotate clockwise, while negative numbers rotate counterclockwise. You can use whole numbers for clean turns or decimals like 12.5 for fine adjustments. Common angles are 90 for a right turn, 180 to flip upside down, and 270 for a left turn. If you change your mind, set the value back to 0 to reset the rotation. A couple of helpful notes as you fine-tune. The rotation affects only the selected widget, not the original image file, so you're safe to experiment. By default, the rotation pivots around the center of the element, which usually looks natural. If the image appears slightly off within your layout after rotating, consider small visual adjustments inside the same element later, but keep your focus here on the rotate control for now. Also, keep an eye on how borders or shadows interact with the rotation, since angled edges will make those effects more noticeable. And that's all you need to rotate an image in Elementor. Open your page, select the element, go to Advanced, open Transform, choose Rotate, and set your angle. With just a few clicks, you can add polish, correct orientation, or create a dynamic layout with precise control.